Mounting and installing junction box. To install the junction box, you will need the following tools and materials. Junction box, wood screw, screwdriver or battery-operated drill, level bar, pull-push rule, and marking tools. Refer to the layout plan for the required measurements. Mark and lay out the height of the junction box using horizontal lines. Extend the horizontal line using a level bar. Make a vertical line to get the exact location of the junction box. Extend the marking again using a level bar. The marking indicates the location of the junction box. Place the junction box in the center of the marking. Mark all mounting holes provided in the junction box on the wiring board. Fix the junction box with one wood screw. Doing this ensures that the alignment is straight or level. Check the vertical and horizontal alignment. Then fix the junction box with the remaining screws.